Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm just gonna fly the there we go, the B429 quickly, our latest Heli, and I'm probably only going to fly it once, maybe twice, because I'm already printing the next one and I need these electronics for another Heli. I've tried something new here. I've printed this in PLA, hyper PLA, and I've found it's actually a bit more rigid than the PETG, but all good. As usual, I fly in ATI mode, and I have my switch here, and when I'm ready I just flick to ATI or GPS. I'm flying with my new 3300 here, so we're at 1400 grams, which is still a very nice weight. It should fly exactly like the Bell, and I found a new rendering technique or modeling technique with this helicopter, and according to the blueprints that I downloaded, it is pretty spot on and actually much easier to get compound curves and everything. Previously I was sort of thumb sucking and hoping for the best, but with this new technique getting far more accurate shapes. So let's see if we got GPS. We do. Let's rotate it as usual. There we go. And we still have GPS. So something I wanted to mention: if you're spooling up and your heli does this as it takes off, you'll probably notice that the tail prop is whining quite a bit, and that's because your helicopter is kind of stuck on the ground. It can't, the gyro is trying to correct it, and it can't move, so the tail will spin up, and as it lifts off the ground it will shift to the left. Now, to combat that, just give a bit of right rudder and the motor will calm right down and it will just lift off. Okay, so here we go into ATI like that. 1, 2, 3. Let's hope she doesn't explode, and activate. Slight breeze from the left, looking for vibrations, settling down. And here we go. It won't be a long flight because I have stuff to do. Let's try some GPS quickly. There we go, GPS. Quite a noisy tail because we have quite a bit of resistance there on the back fin. But let's fly. And I'm expecting it to fly just like the Bell, just like the MD500, unless it explodes. So there we go. B429. That noise you're hearing on the tail is literally due to the fin. If I removed the fin, it would hardly be noticeable. Very nice. Thanks for downloading it, and please share your builds. I know I've sold a few already, so very keen to see everyone's color schemes and versions. Okay, thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.